All right, next up, I'm going to send another congrats out to Mr. Elon Musk because apparently they're selling Teslas. Apparently, Tesla's doing okay. Like, at least when it comes to demand. Tesla sales reach new high, offering bonuses to deliver this month. Leaked info. This is on Electrek. It's an electric car website. It's kind of a hot one. 538 comments. It's a hot website. And we got leaked info, which is always salacious. You know that word, Will?
It's my favorite word.
You like that word?
Yeah.
Yeah. So apparently, Elon gets in there. They have a whole meeting. They have a phone call. Maybe they have an email thread. And they say, look, we're trying to break some records this quarter. We're trying to show the world that we're the real deal. And so you come along and incentivize different departments within the company, particularly the people in the sales area, as well as the delivery area. This has obviously been covered. Tesla's been having some struggles with actually delivering the vehicles they're selling. That seems to be the bottleneck. Although there's been a lot of speculation, they've been impacted by speculation, and there has been a lot of speculation that there's numerous reasons for them having difficulty, overspending, blah, 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 mismanagement. People make all kinds of claims. There are definitely people rooting for Tesla to fail. But to be clear, there's people rooting for them to not fail as well, to succeed. So anyhow, what they did is they promised $1,200. This is a leaked info, just to be clear. But they offered $1,200 bonus for every sales employee and a $550 bonus to every delivery employee. And they can double those bonuses if they achieve 36,000 deliveries instead of 33,000. So 33,000 is the first threshold they're looking for, and then an increase in bonuses for those groups of individuals if they hit 36,000 deliveries. So apparently Tesla has already delivered 2,512 cars in June in North America. And apparently there are many more planned thanks to sales numbers being at the highest they have ever been. That's in quotations, leaked, who knows, speculative, so forth. The source said that Tesla has almost 10,000 more deliveries scheduled and about 6,000 orders matched to VINs, but without a delivery scheduled. So as you can see, bit of a bottleneck there. You got 6,000 orders. They got a VIN number, but the delivery's not scheduled yet. So they need to get that whole flow moving well. Making cars is hard. Making futuristic self-driving electric cars also hard. So anyhow, this is, I suppose this is good news. This is good news for Tesla fans. It's good news for people who are rooting for Tesla to succeed. It showcases demand that maybe their problems are not insurmountable. Maybe it's not that people... I always sort of felt that people wanted the product. The product was good. We had the product in studio. I said this in a past video. We did a video on the Model 3, and I thought, man, this is a fun ride. What'd you think about it, Will?
Yeah, it was really it was great. The Model 3 Performance Edition.
Well, we had the nice one. We did have the nice one. That's true. So it was a bit more expensive.
Yeah, it's
you drove
really
it, didn't
speedy.
you?
Yeah, I was the second guy to drive it in Canada. It was the first performance model in Canada, and you were the third. So good for you.
This is where he plays that song from before. Can you play that song real quick, okay?
I don't have it.
Get us back to that song, Will, because we got to celebrate what you just said. No, it's not too long, Jack. It's get back to that song. There you go. Okay? Willie Do, this is your new theme song, ladies and gentlemen. This is when he enters the fold. This is his entrance music. You can kill it. The previous quarter, quota, 33,000, right? Yeah, the aim was 33,000. They had the bonuses for 36. But I think either of those numbers would be a record for any quarter. Yeah, no, they're within reach of a new record quarter for deliveries. So I believe that record would be 33, 30, or is it the bigger number? 36. Let's see here. Anyhow, either way, Jack, you're asking the hard hitting questions over there. You know, you're having too much fun on that couch over there. You got Casper. What's he even doing right now? Yeah, exactly. So what does that tell you? Anyway, you might have been worried about Tesla. I'm actually not worried about them. I don't think so. I think they've done the hard part. It's all hard. It's all hard. I promise. Trust me, it's all hard. But I think they've done the hard part. And now I feel like they can figure this out. I guess I'm projecting here. This is just my own intuition. But they've got this product and they've delivered some of them. And my exposure, although limited, has been good. Now they just got to figure out how to deliver these things and how to match these VIN numbers to deliveries. Maybe incentivizing the staff is just what they need to do. You know, give them an extra $1,200, $550. And that's what happens if they hit 33,000, and then those numbers get doubled if they hit 36. So maybe that's just all they need, a little extra motivation to deliver these Teslas. And I just don't want to root against them, because I feel like what Tesla has done and what it represents, it's like if you try to think of an industry that's difficult to disrupt, the automotive industry, you're going to make a car. Will you come in tomorrow to the office? I'm starting a car company. We're making an electric car. And you play that song.
Put all my savings in there.
And you put your savings in and you play that song that you just played earlier. Yeah, this is Willie Do tomorrow. Comes in. Lou, I quit. I'm starting an electric car company. My name is Willie Musk. I'm going to give people a bunch of VIN numbers and I'll eventually give them a car. So send me your orders and I'll figure it out. All right, you can kill that one.
I thought, are you getting a Tesla? Would you get a Tesla?
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. I guess I could get one. What should I get?
The Roadster.
A Roadster, but
2.0
that's
is
going to
coming
take,
out.
that's still a long way off.
Well, you know Elon.
Okay, fine.
Message him.
All right, Elon, let's figure it out.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm looking for a bonus of $550 if I buy a Roadster. Do we have a deal? Let me know.